Welcome back to the channel. Just a very quick video. Just want to share it with you guys. 20 quid second hand. Comes in a lovely little padded pouch that's also fur lined. And look at that. What a lovely little pocket knife for 20 quid. I'm well happy with that. It's as you can see, marbles. And I think they're about £35 new. I got this for 20 quid, so I'm well happy with that. What I love about it is pocket knife, but it's got like a decent sized blade on it that locks up into the handle with this protective tang sticking out of it. But that actually comes back and locks the blade so it can't slip, so it's safe. And it feels alright actually in the hand because your fingers kind of go around it. It's got a finger guard on it as well, and I think it's really good. And as you can see, it's a nice shiny blade, decent size, fairly sharp, not bad. Won't need sharpening for a while. Just want to share that with you guys. Like I say, it just folds back like that. How safe is that? Beautiful. So yeah, my little bargain of the week, 20 quid.